everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the vlog number 7 of the BMW Z4. So pretty much today video we're starting inside the car. First because it's freezing outside, and second because today we're going to be working on a shift knot and also the shifter boot. So basically I'm going to show you how to replace your shift knot and also upgrade your shifter boot. Now for the shift knot, I'm going to be replacing the OEM one for a M series one. I know this is not an M car, but hey, upgrade is an upgrade. This is a good looking one too. Alright, so we're gonna start by removing the shift knot. This is a pretty simple process. You just gotta leave your car on gear, okay? In my case, I'm just gonna leave it on second. And then after that, you're gonna use both hands and you're gonna pull backwards. Alright, so pretty much you're gonna use both hands. Now in my case, I would like to be like this for actually more grip. And you're just gonna pour toward you. So be careful. Don't put your face down because you're gonna smack your face, so you don't really want that. And you just gotta pull this up. This is gonna take a little while because this thing is been sitting there. I'm just gonna get some grip with the other hand. I don't know how to position myself anymore in this little cart. Alright, so 1, 2, and 3. Ugh. This thing is pretty tight, man. Let's try to use the other hand. Both hand. Alright, this is gonna take a little while, so you're just gonna pull forward and this should pop out. But in my case, it's kind of hard. There we go, and it's out. Easy. Now to put it back, you just gotta reverse the process. You put it in, tap it a couple of times, you should be it. Now before that, we're gonna work on this little trim over here. Pretty simple. I would like to take this out and also wrap this carbon fiber. Look at all this. It's all scratched up and old. It's pretty beat up though. I would like to take this out, refresh it, and give it a clean look. But before that, we have to take out this leather boot. Now to take this out, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna bring it all the way up. Now you're just gonna do a small pull until you hear a click. Whoop, and everything popped out. It's held up by 4 taps on each one on each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then after that, you should be able to remove this trim. This trim is very easy as well. I find out that you just apply on it, like so. It's held up by 4 clips as well, 1 on each side. So easy, you don't want to break any of the tabs, right? Just gotta disconnect that, and you should be able to pull it out. So it's just gonna give you guys a quick look before and after. The old shift knot, the old leather boots, and the old shifter trim. Alright, so pretty much I finished wrapping the center console shifter trim over here. It looks pretty good. It wasn't that bad. Pretty easy, pretty simple, just a little bit of time, you know, and everything should fall in place. Now we're just gonna put this back on. Alright, so the trim is back on the center console. It looks fantastic. It looks fresh. It looks very nice. I like the carbon fiber a lot, so damn, this thing looks fresh. Okay, now so it's time to play with the shifter boots. What I did over here is I use a bag. This is for a Crown Royal. You know, if you guys know what is Crown Royal, I don't have to explain it. But now for those who doesn't know what is Crown Royal is, the Crown Royal is a Canadian whiskey. That purple bag actually come with this bottle wrapped up very nicely. Now I already have one on my drift car. I bought this when I was on a cruise ship in the summer. It's pretty nice. They have like different flavors, so every different flavor have a different color of bags. On my drift car, I have a brown color, and I guess I'm gonna use a purple for this car. And there you go. Just a little bit of patience, and we have a whiskey bag shift boot. Now to finish this mod, we're just gonna grab our new shift knob, and we're gonna put it back in place, and we should be good. 1, 2, 3. Boom. This thing is in, ain't going nowhere. It look really good. I like the purple. I love everything. There you go. Our whiskey bag shift knob with a Crown Royal bag. Woo! It's time to get that whiskey going now. And here pretty much after, damn, it looks really good. Look at that. Crown Royal, a new shift knob. This is for a M series BMW. Woo! Fire. And also we did the carbon fiber wrap on the trim. Damn, this thing looks so fresh. So that's pretty much it. I just gotta wrap this trim off. That's what it left. It's a pretty simple process. We're just gonna do it inside the car like this one. I'm not planning on taking the whole center console. There's no point. We're just gonna be very careful about all this area around here. Make sure that you don't cut through, and make sure that you get it nice and fitted here. All these little edges in here, and you should be good to go.